Thank you for standing by me always. My name is Ibu.
Veteran actor John Okafor, popularly known as Mr. Ibu, has succumbed to health complications after a prolonged battle with blood clotting on his leg. The beloved actor passed away on Saturday, March 2, in a Lagos state hospital. Mr. Ibu faced persistent issues with blood clotting, attributed to diseased blood vessels, and struggled with various health challenges over the years. In October 2023, he publicly sought financial assistance to address his ailment, with initial plans to seek medical care abroad. Unfortunately, the doctors deemed him unfit for international travel, abandoning the overseas treatment option. As his health deteriorated, Mr. Ibu underwent the amputation of his leg in November 2023, marking a challenging phase in his battle against the debilitating condition. At the time of his passing, the veteran actor was 62 years old. Renowned for his exceptional portrayal of humorous characters in movies, Mr. Ibu left an indelible mark on the Nigerian entertainment industry. His demise leaves behind a grieving family, including his wife and children, as well as a void in the hearts of fans who cherished his unique talent for bringing laughter to the screen. The legacy of Mr. Ibu will undoubtedly endure through the memorable characters he brought to life during his illustrious career. So LNG Mr. Ibu we should